I can't remember the exact moment taking self-portraits became a hobby, but I will remember the moment I migrated away from the small, tight corners of my room to a space that truly gives me the ability to create. So here we are in my garage with new floors and fresh walls and furniture no longer covered in spider webs. In the corner is where I keep some tripods and stands, some of which I've used in the small areas of my room. They come in handy sometimes. And because your girl enjoys an outfit change for a photo shoot, I did purchase a clothing rack from Amazon. And it's basically just a nice standing closet-ish for me to put some outfits for when I need just different inspiration for a photo. It has wheels on the bottom, so it makes it super easy to move around wherever I need it to be. And then there are the lights. I use a ring light and several softbox lights. You can find these on Amazon. My main background stand can also be found on Amazon. This is what gives me the ability to really kind of just bring a mood to my photos. Against the wall is a really old broken drawer that I use for my photography props. I keep wigs and makeup and some bed sheets that can be used for a backdrop as well. In the back corner is my workstation, and this is the table where I do a lot of my editing on. It's also a mess because I have more props for future projects that I want to work on. No doubt, 2020 has been weird, but it has given me the opportunity to make space for things, to make space for myself, and to make space for the gifts that God has given me. I hope you're making space too.